Good morning and welcome. It's Gilly Kube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I'm coming to you today with an acrylic pour on this 40 by 40 canvas. My first thing that I'm doing is to prep the canvas just with the acrylic paint, the normal acrylic paint, impasto paint with a pouring medium. And of course the ingredients and links to just learning how to do the mixing is below in the information box underneath this video in the description. Still get asked all these things, so I have to tell you. So yeah, this is just really one of my favourite parts, is just spreading that paint over the canvas. It's quite relaxing. It's all part of the art therapy. So if you're doing it, enjoy. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to load my cups for a flip cup pour. I think it's called a dirty cup pour. I don't know the names of what the everybody calls the different things. It's a mixture of leftover paints that I'm going to do a flip and lip. So that is a bright yellow. I'll let you watch on and I'll just add the colours to the text. Just giving a little swirl to the cup because I put quite a bit of paint in there, so I didn't want them to come out in big separate blobs. So the next colour I've got for you it was actually gold mixed with the yellow. So it's sort of a goldy yellow. So it is a metallic, so it will cause a nice shimmery effect through my paints. So there was a nice bright yellow gone in there and now it's turquoise. So it's just putting those paints in the cups, not too thick each layer if you want the different colours to come through in your pour. So sort of going back to the beginning again with the violet and the other colours. And of course that's just white. I did have a little bit of dark sea left over, so whatever I'd got left over went in those cups. It used up all my spare colours to create a wonderful flip cup pour.
Was my champagne gold going in there, which is literally a 50% gold, 50% silver, makes a beautiful champagne gold. Still got the pouring medium in and such, but that's a lovely colour to have mixed up. So that will, again, because it's metallic, help put some really lovely shimmery effects through the flip cup pour. So now it's just going ahead and layering your cups onto the canvas for your flip cups. Would it change for the better if I wrote you a poem, if I posted a letter?
Just kind of putting a bit of a gravy boat around each cup, and just the tapping is just to allow all the colours to go down to the bottom so they don't get stuck in the cup too much, and it's just pulling them back and up, and the colours that it creates are quite stunning. So I'm going to add to that lovely spatula from Colour Art it's the Amsterdam Black with just Australian Floetrol. It gives super duper effects. So I just want to do one swipe through that just to add a little bit of point of interest in there. So let's see how it goes.
If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted.
Super duper happy with that. That's a beauty. Very, very happy with that. So I'm absolutely sure when it dries and has a coat of either gloss varnish or spray or resin, it'll be very nice. So here's the pictures just to give you an idea of what they can look like in a setting on a wall. This is a picture wall app called Wall Picture. I think I've got a link down below. You can also have prints made up to any sizes. These sizes particularly, some really good print companies out there that do really excellent print quality. So I hope you enjoyed today's little endeavour, and I hope you'll be back tomorrow to join me. So thank you guys, please take care, bye for now.
Would it change for the better if I wrote you a poem, if I posted a letter? Is it me?